Hello. What's up, guys? All right. My name's Caleb. This is Alvaro.
Hi, my name is Alvaro.
We're gonna be giving you a room tour. So first off, most importantly, we start off with the microwave.
Yes.
We have our Minecraft creeper mug. We have our SpaghettiOs. Yeah. And then next, this is Alvaro's area. Alvaro, would you like to explain?
Yes. So okay, first, most importantly, this is Gort. This is our goat. He is our really good friend. And as you see right here, I have the Starry Night Lego set. I am not done with that, but I will finish this semester. But yeah, and I don't know what else. I mean, this is my bed, and then on that side is Caleb's side. So.
Right. Yeah. So I actually just moved into this room like last week. So it's still a little bare bones, but if you can't tell, I'm a music person. So I have my guitar, my trombone, all that stuff. I've got my Minecraft creeper right there, of course. My alarm. I have a bed shaker in here. So every morning I wake up Alvaro because the bed's going. So I usually wake up for my idioms on that. Packed for spring break, ready to go there. All my shoes. I'm a big shoe guy. Love that. Then we have all of our protein stuff. We usually make shakes and stuff after we go to the gym. And then here we have our media area. We have like Xbox, we have an Apple TV, the whole shebang. But yeah, that's pretty much it. All right. Also, the bathroom, I share that with my sweet mate. His name's Adam. A lot of people know him. So we do have to manage a lot of that stuff with him. There's a lot of communication that goes into that, but it's a good system. I really like it.